Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to officially download older versions of Blender software, straight from the Blender website. This is useful if your system can't handle the latest version, or you need compatibility for a plugin. Let's go! Start by opening your browser and head to blender.org. Now hover over the Download tab at the top, and then click on Previous Versions. This will take you to Blender's archive page. Here, you'll see a list of older Blender versions categorized by release, like 2.93, 3.0, 3.4, etc. Click on the version you want. For example, if you want Blender 2.93, just click on that folder. Inside, you'll find installers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For Windows, download the .msi or .zip file depending on your preference. Once downloaded, go ahead and install it like you would with any other software. And yes, this is completely safe and official, since it's hosted directly by Blender. One quick tip. If you're installing multiple versions, make sure to uncheck the Make this default option during setup to avoid overwriting newer ones. And that's how you download and install older versions of Blender the right way. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them below. Thanks for watching.